Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Top stories this hour. Goa police tell High Court, Rohit was never absconding. Yemeni students clarify on their meeting at Dona Paula. A Prudent Media exclusive. Margaon Shopkeepers Association Geraud Margaon chairperson. Now the news in detail. Another twist in the Rohit Monserrat's case. Goa police have now submitted in the High Court that Rohit Monserrat was never absconding. The next hearing of the case is on 18 December.
Rohit Monserrat was never absconding, claimed Goa police. Advocate General of Goa, Subodh Kantak, tells more on this.
We have applied for correction of the order passed on 21st of November. I wouldn't speak anything more on that because that matter is sub judice. That application will have to come before the High Court for consideration.
Second correction is the second para.
Yeah, we have asked for correction into 2 or 3 paragraphs.
Government had also filed an affidavit as directed by Bombay High Court on investigation carried on Atanasio Monserrat and Warren Alemão.
Today the government has filed an affidavit as directed by the High Court. We have filed an affidavit. High Court had directed us to file affidavit as to what are the investigations which have been carried on against Atanasio Monserrat and against Warren Alemão. In our affidavit we have said after all the investigations that have been carried out, there is no material to proceed against Mr. Atanasio Monserrat and Mr. Warren Alemão. So far as further progress in the investigation against the first accused, that is Rohit, we have put it on record.
Rohit Monserrat's advocate have asked for 7 days to file affidavit in High Court. The case will again come up for hearing on 18 December.
The Yemen students have claimed that they are in Goa to learn English, and on Monday they just offered Eid prayers at the beach. When police refused to give full information on the students' gathering, Prudent Media inquired into the facts and met some of the Yemeni and Arab students. Here is what they have to say. Rakesh Khandolkar brings to you this exclusive report.
I'm Adil Abdu. I'm a Yemeni. I come to India to study English. We come to India to study English as our English is weak. We study English so that we can join college. On Monday, we students had gone to beach to pray for Eid. As Eid was on Monday in Arab countries, during Eid, we have to pray in open place. We prayed there for some time and we come back.
For us, Eid was on Monday. There is no sin in prayer.
These students celebrated Eid on Monday as Eid is celebrated throughout the Arab world on one day before Indian calendar. In Arab countries, prayers are performed in open places, unlike in India where they are performed in mosque. More than 150 foreign students are studying in Goa, including Afghans and Nigerian. But these Yemen and Arab students have come here to learn English. They want to pursue higher studies after improving their English. They chose India as center of learning as English courses are reasonable in India. There are a couple of institutes in capital city which run classes for these Arab students. Teachers from one of the institutes say that they cooperate with Foreign Registration Office of Goa Police whenever they are asked for inquiries. But now the students have different story to tell. They find these frequent inquiries of police very cumbersome for their studies and are thinking of leaving Goa.
But I have problem from government. I ask government what problem? Problem with from Pakistan, not from students. Why I tell government, all people in India dealing nice from my country. What dealing me same this here? Now I cannot study. I cannot study because of problem and now I want to travel. I cannot stay same this problem here.
But what about other parts of the country like Pune, Bangalore? How?
Don't have any problem. A problem in Goa only. I ask myself why.
The gathering of students on Monday at beach had raised many eyebrows amongst the locals and security agencies. But now these students want Goans to understand their problem and respect their sentiments. They say that they respect millions of Indians in their country. Then why aren't Indians respect them here in Goa?
And all students here respect our religion in India. Why don't respect our religion? In our country there are a lot of Indians. We respect them. Why in India don't respect us?
Tragedy struck two minor girls at Vasco on the day of Bakri Eid. The two sisters were playing in their balcony when they happened to incline on the wooden gallery of their rented room, which collapsed and the girls were injured.
Both of them were playing in their usual style in the balcony of their building. Tragedy struck the sisters when both of them were leaning on the wooden gallery, which was weak. The wooden gallery, which was in a rickety state, broke and girls fell down heavily from the second floor, getting severely hurt. The two sisters Krishnuma Khan and Shahadma Khan are getting treatment at Goa Medical College in Bambolim. Doctors have informed that the younger sister is in a critical state.
शादी की बारात जा रही थी तभी बच्चे भागते हुए बाहर निकले और फिर वो टेरेस क्या कहते हैं गैलरी की दीवार से वो नीचे आ गए और लकड़ी का कुछ उस पे लगा हुआ तो वो टूट गया। तभी हम नीचे आए और देखा कि कौन से बच्चे लथपथ हैं। फिर हम चिकाली में जाकर के उनको साथ लेकर के बाम्बोली में इस वक्त हैं।
A reporter at Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.